Hello everyone, today I will introduce an exclusive function of KEYDIY-X4, the Yamaha ID49 motorcycle key barcodes retrieval function. This function can help us to read Yamaha motorcycle key barcodes and support the keys with frequencies of 315 and 433. Now I will show you how to use this function. We click here, chip function, pin code calculation, and this function here. I have already put the remote on the KEYDIY-X4 device. We click OK to read it. Okay, this barcode is the same as the remote barcode. Okay, now we try another remote. Okay, this barcode is also the same as the remote barcode. That's all, thank you.